Yo, hello everyone, and welcome back again to a brand new video. Are you ready to add credit card payment to your Squarespace websites? In this video, we will walk you throughout the process of setting up credit card payment to enhance your online store. So let's dive in. So first of all guys, what you will need to do is to go ahead and open squarespace.com. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you can have the full experience. Click on it just like that and click on get started so you can get your website ready to go. After that, make sure to choose online store so you have the options that are compatible with payment, checkouts, cards, store, etc. And then choose whatever basically templates you want. There is plenty of templates, you just have to go for one of these. Let's go for example with something that has food, so we can be selling food here. Let's go for example with this one. Yeah, let's go with that one. You can change the colors through here, so everything is pretty much editable, so you can do whatever you want. I would go with this one, and then let's click on start the design, and then the website should be created within few seconds. Now in this video guys, we are going to talk about adding credit card. A credit card can be added in several ways, so you should understand that first, because you could pay with credit card using Stripe, you could pay using credit card using PayPal. So there is a lot of ways. Now let me just check out page here. Let me just change it to a credit card, name it next, and then get started. So let's get started for this video by going to the settings and going here to the actual selling. Let's make sure that's the payment, and here as you can see in the selling process you'll find here payments. So make sure that your payments are basically connected. Now here you can add ways to receive payments. Once you connected a payment processor, customers can check out in your store. So here there are the payments processors. There is Stripe. You can connect Stripe to customers pay with all major credit cards, Apple Pay and Afterpay/ClearPay. By PayPal, connect PayPal Business to let customers pay with a PayPal or Venmo accounts. And Square, connect Square to let customers pay in person with cash and credit cards. So you can choose whatever you want from these. Also guys, these methods of payments or processors might not be available for you in some cases, which are being in a different country than mine. For example, if you're in the US, you might have even much more larger payment processors than what I have in my screen right now. So you should understand these things. First of all, you have to get all the payments processors that are available in your country as information. So you should search for them, look for them, so you can have them all placed within your mind, and you can figure out later on like what are the payment processors that you will be using for that specific reason. Now credit cards can be processed with both Stripe and Square in my case, so I can literally choose Square or Stripe to be my payment processor. Let's go for example with Square. I'm going to click on connect, and then they are going to take me to a new tab where I have to connect to my Square account. Now there we go. Let me just do this real quick, something like that, sign in, and just like that I have connected my Square account with my Squarespace websites, and now they can process it, and I can start now getting payments as Square, and I can now accept credit card using Square. The same thing goes for Stripe. Stripe, I don't have an account or acquire an account from it now, unfortunately, since it is required to be you are required to be a citizen of the US, or at least have an address in the US. Since I don't have any of those, that's very unfortunate. I can't really show you how you can connect Stripe, but it's pretty the same way. You simply have to go to Stripe, click on it, and then you're gonna open a new tab. In that specific tab, make sure that you enter your informations. These informations are gonna be including basically your basic information like email, password for your Stripe account. Once you have put them in the right field, you will be able to have everything ready to go, as you will be looking right here. So I'm gonna show you in a few seconds. So it's pretty easy, nothing complicated about it at all. It's just a straightforward process, as you might see right in front of you. The tab has taken a little bit longer than it has to be usually taken. Yeah, here it is, as you can see right now. So from here guys, as you will be seeing, you simply have to put your email. So put here your email address and then click on submit, and then you'll be taken to another page where you have to put your password, and then everything will be good to go. So these are the payment processes. To understand what payments are accepted in your country, just search for Squarespace payments countries and supported countries and currencies for Squarespace, and you will find here all the needs for your information you need for the specific thing. So also here, can Squarespace be used internationally, where to pay for Squarespace, there's a lot of things that you can go for. And also, as a side information, these 3 gateways might be the only gateways that are available for me right now, since I have the free plan. In case I have upgraded my website to the premium plan, then obviously they're gonna be much more features, and one of them might be an opening of a new process or payments processor that can be very helpful for us in the future. This can increase a lot of our payments or our sales. For example, Cash App is not available for me right now since my website is not in the premium plan. It could be added, it could be not, depending on my plan, and also depending on the basically the country where I have created my website. So make sure that you change the regional settings, make sure to change everything. For example, here let me just choose, for example, the US, and check if anything will be changed. So there we go, save. And now once we have changed it, if you want to the payments, yeah, it's still the same, but yeah, it should be since the creation. So once you create the website, it should be changed. Oh, there we go, a lot of things has been changed. Yeah, for example, here we have these ones. So payments are on Squarespace payments to level up your checkout. So you just needed to like refresh the page, and everything was good. Connect to an existing Stripe account, PayPal. So here there is the page of payments once I have changed my own region. And as you can see, Squarespace payments can accept all of these cards. So in case you would like to accept one of these credit cards, then you could also add Squarespace payments, which you should simply click turn on, click continue, and after that you will be taken to a page where you have to do and go throughout some process, and then you'll be able to actually accept Squarespace payments, which includes a lot of things such as Google Pay, Apple Pay, credit cards, all different credit cards that are available, from Visa card, MasterCard, Discover, American Express, and much larger quantity than that. You can search for all the cards that are accepted by Squarespace online. Simply just search for Squarespace payments, all accepted credit card, and you will find all the accepted credit card by them. And yeah guys, that was basically it for today's video. I hope you liked it. If you do have any more questions, make sure to leave them down below in the comment section. I will make sure to answer all of your questions one by one. So thank you guys a lot for watching, and see you guys in the next tutorial.